Ladies and gentlemen, today we're diving into something sleeker than my friend Rob's attempt at growing a mustache in his 40s. This 2025 Benimar Mileo doesn't just whisper luxury, it shouts it from a mountaintop with a Spanish accent and a Fiat chassis. The Mileo 294, a 24-foot, 7.3-meter stunner based on the new Fiat Ducato, upgraded with an 8-speed automatic and a 180-horsepower 6E engine. This thing cruises smoother than my buddy Steve after 2 glasses of boxed wine. It's still got the Truma Combi heater, a 200-watt solar panel, a 120-amp-hour battery, and a fresh new 24-inch smart TV setup. Step inside and you'll notice something rare. A layout that's actually different. I know. You've seen 100 RVs and they all feel like IKEA made love to a closet. But not this one. Gone is the awkward L-shaped kitchen. Now we've got a straight, sleek culinary battle station with a 3-burner gas-electric hob, a round sink that's easier to clean than my reputation, and smart storage above and below. Opposite that, a 145-liter fridge freezer and a microwave so convenient, even I started pretending I cook. What really made me smile, though? That living area. 2 benches that morph into belted seats like some kind of transformer. Only these don't save the world. They save your tailbone on long drives. The table is new, and the cabinets now have fancy lighting. I don't know who decided ambiance matters in a motorhome, but I agree with them. The bathroom? 2 doors. Not 1. 2. It divides the bedroom and living area and doubles as a changing room. That transparent sink? Classy. I believe it even made my reflection look better. That's tech, folks. And the rear bedroom? Oh, the rear bedroom. A king-size bed on an adjustable platform. Manual, because even in luxury, you still need to earn it a little. Raise the bed for more garage space underneath. Lower it for headroom dreams above. Plus, a walk-in closet, overhead storage, and, yes, a pair of bedside tables for all your guilty snacks. Now let's talk price before someone faints. The 2025 Benimar Mileo comes in hot at €123,805, or about $137,530. Want the older 2024 model? That'll cost you somewhere between €66,420 and $93,700, or $73,800 to $104,000. Depending on what bells and whistles you want to hear. But here's the deal. It's not just a camper. It's a rolling sanctuary for 4 people who believe life's too short for cheap upholstery. I liked the bedroom configuration the most, mainly because it finally felt like a motorhome wasn't trying to gaslight me into thinking a foam slab was a queen. And hey, if you laughed, learned something, or just needed an excuse to put off mowing the lawn, there's a link under the video. Click it. It leads to a magical world of CampAvto madness.